Hallo, wie ist es Ihnen? Viele Jahre nicht gesehen. I do not know what that means, but I like the way it sounds. Did you miss me? I know I've been away for about a month. I've had a couple of issues with my videos on the YouTube channel and I had to fix them, but now that I've fixed them, I'm back. So I just dropped this video to tell you that the plan is to grow the channel, drop tutorials, questions, etc. Whatever we've been doing so far and more. But you know, it's been sad. So let's listen to a sad song. But don't go anywhere. I'll drop more drama soon.
Something wrong. Why my internet so slow? Suddenly my Wi-Fi signal not so strong. Facebook cannot load. YouTube also cannot watch. Google dinosaur come out, cannot log in. Online banking. I need internet, if not I don't know how to go on. Phone data also